See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
So sad, the news coming from Jos. Very sad. We have seen the video. Wow. So many people. They buy so many people yesterday evening. So many people gone just like that. Just like that. In a state where they collect security votes, in a state where they have resources to protect their people, people just buy like chicken. Even in animal farm, you cannot buy so many goats and rams. Just like that, Abba is not done anywhere in the world. The sad part of it is the governor that controls their resources and their security votes was unable to go yesterday evening. He had to wait till this morning to get armor tank to go there. He couldn't even come out of armor tank. Someone that is controlling your money couldn't come out of armor tank. He's scared, like, no, I can't come out. He's saying, keep quiet, let me talk. This is a fresh style of slavery. Even though the colonial masters are gone, but we are now under a new style of slavery, Agbada slavery. This is a sad news for any well-thinking, well-meaning Nigerians. You yourself think, you that you are abroad, think. The governor couldn't go yesterday evening. He had to wait for Harmattan. Our president was busy in Aso Rock celebrating his birthday. His son that wants his father to come back, that has been arranging city boys, could not gather his city boys together to go this morning to go and visit the people. Very dark man that does not have security votes, that doesn't have security, that doesn't have convoy, was even there before the governor. My people, do they have to open your brain to let you know you are under a new slave trade, colonization by Agbada people? My people, I think it is time to summon the courage to vote these people out. It is time to stand up to them, not by violence, to say enough is enough. Someone that is controlling your resources couldn't even come out of armored tank. Someone that is controlling your resources, they are dancing in the villa, while your children, your husband, your father, your daughters, your aunties, your brothers are buying like chicken. Wake up,